I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by moving fast. Open every cabinet door and drawer, and set up cross-ventilation so fresh air pulls odors out. Remove removable shelves and hardware now so you can clean them separately. This exposes more surface area for airing. Turn off HVAC recirculation and use window fans set to exhaust. Once done, the air exchange lowers VOC concentration. You're reducing the source and improving dilution at the same time, which speeds odor decline during the next steps. Now you clean deliberately. Wipe all surfaces with a mild dish soap solution to remove manufacturing residues, then rinse and dry thoroughly because residues trap smells. Place several open containers of baking soda and activated charcoal in different cabinets to absorb VOCs and odors. A small bowl of white vinegar in an adjacent room helps neutralize lingering air molecules. Once done, use a low-heat towel or dehumidifier to pull out moisture. Dry your surfaces. Finally, you finish and verify. Continue airing with fresh absorbers swapped daily for 3 to 7 days, monitoring smell strength so you know progress. If odors persist in a cabinet cavity, lightly sand the inner surface and apply a low VOC sealant that blocks residual emissions at the source. Make sure to run a small fan and a charcoal pack overnight before returning food or linens. If things go wrong, re-clean that specific area and repeat sealing. Don't reintroduce items until neutral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.